Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today I wanted to show you all something. To some, it might sound a bit insignificant and boring, but for me, it is a daily source of happiness. And happiness is not something ready-made, but it comes from our own action. And this is one of them. This is my small vegetable garden. And these are lofa sponge gourd. These are the baby gourds, and this is when they are at their sweetest. And let me show my mustard leaves. Well, I have sown the mustard seeds here and they have started germinating. You all must be wondering what all these white colored beads are. Well, these are eggshells from our kitchen waste, and these eggshells are good supplement for our vegetables as it contains calcium carbonate which helps in the structure of plants. And the bigger ones here, they are no longer edible. But one good thing about this vegetable is that once it gets dried, we can use this as lofa while taking a bath or can even use as a scrubber while washing our dishes and utensils. In fact, in many households, you can find one hanging in their bathrooms. And now, these are the gourds that I have harvested today. We'll be enjoying this tonight. Now, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and do continue to watch and subscribe my channel please.